I'm Joe Bartels in Tempe. A morning run ends with a strange encounter over the weekend. A woman says she was running near College and Broadway, right near our middle school campus, when she encountered a man who was apparently exposing and touching himself. She describes him as tall, pale-skinned, medium brown, unkempt hair, and a full untrimmed beard. She ran away and called police. Tempe police say they are investigating this, and perhaps this has happened before. They're asking anyone with information to call Tempe police.